Hi, hello friends, very good evening. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. It's 8:59 in the evening, so we'll start exactly at 9. So I believe whatever the view which was given yesterday has happened today. I'll show the chart now, both for Nifty and Banknifty. Whatever predicted yesterday in front of you in live market in the live session has happened today. Exactly whatever predicted yesterday has happened today. So let's say like what is going to happen for tomorrow. We'll analyze and see like whether we'll be getting any trades, or will it be a no trade for tomorrow. Yeah, let's get started. It is 9 in the evening. So I haven't changed anything in the chart from yesterday. So whatever we discussed yesterday, that is what is shown in this chart right now. So yesterday we predicted market is going to make a higher low, which is going to be around this level, which is 16,300 to 16,280. And what happened today is it has exactly touched our first target, which is going to be the support one, which the numbers are going to be 16,483. And let's see like how or what happened in today's trading. Let's go to 1 hour chart and see like what has happened today. Yeah, so Nifty today had clearly gave a clear structure. So this is yesterday's market, and today we started at this point. Exactly, we opened at 16,636, and there was a sharp fall. There was a very good sharp fall in the first hour, and again market tried to make a lower high. And this chart I have put in the Telegram channel. If you want to see like why the market went up and made a high of 16,572 after making a low of 16,495. Always the market will give a structure, and only then it will make a next move. So the structure is already formed. So far the structure was in uptrend, and right now the downtrend structure has started forming after making a top of 16,752. From this is going to be high, this is low, lower high, and lower low. Again what should happen is definitely it should make a lower high, and that is what is the number 16,572. and if you see, this is going to be the level which it has to go and retest. So that is what has happened today. If you put a line here, definitely that will match. Yeah, that is how it goes. And I have plotted the Fibonacci with this current swing, and exactly that is going to be the 0.382 number of Fibonacci, and it came down from there. That too, in 1 hour chart it gave a good spinning top, that too bearish spinning top in the resistance, and it started falling. And our first target 16,480 has been hit, and it has closed below that indeed. So what will happen tomorrow is definitely we can expect our target to hit which is going to be 16,355, which is going to be the second support, and that is where the gap will be filled. So if there is a gap down or gap up, if there is a gap up, definitely this level, which is 16,565, which may act as a double top, and if that is giving a resistance, then definitely there will be a fall, which will allow Nifty to hit the target of this level, which is 16,355, and that is where this gap will be filled. And below that we have another target, which is around 16,300 to 16,280. So this is what we are going to do tomorrow. So we'll wait for this level. If it is giving a gap up, and we'll take a shot at 16,565 with a 55 to 60 points of stop loss, which is going to be 16,610 to 15. Yeah, 615, which is 16,615 will be acting as a stop loss, and targets are going to be same, 16,483 and 16,355 will be the targets. And if this is getting broken, then definitely we will be having a good support at this level, which is the channel bottom. That is where we can expect the reversal again, which is going to be the retesting zone, and the channel bottom. That is where we can expect a good sort of support and reversal in Nifty. Till that we are bearish in Nifty, so don't take call options and always try to make a right decision, go with the direction. Always pick the tops to take a short when it is making a downside move, and when it is making an upside move, then we can look for the bottom to buy the stock or index. So right now we are in downtrend, so definitely we will wait for the resistance to make a short trade. We can go for a future short, or we can go for put option buy at this level, which is 16,565. So that is the levels for tomorrow. We'll have a small check in option chain. So how many contracts were unwinded, or what are the numbers where the bulls and bears are fighting, we will see. If you look at the total number of contracts, definitely call option is having more number of contracts. Definitely the market is going to be bearish. So right now we have closed at 16,485, and 16,500 is having a very good tough fight between the bulls and bears. So 1 lakh contracts in the each side. So definitely each if the already we are below 16,500, and if there is a good gap down, then definitely 16,500 will be becoming as a strong resistance, and slowly this number will get unwinded. And if you see today there has been very good unwinding when compared to the call options. So definitely market is going to be bearish for tomorrow as well. So these are going to be very conviction data points. And below levels, if you see 16,400 remains a good support, because 92,000 contracts has been okay, 3,200 contract has been added today, and this is going to be a huge number, 92,000 versus 25,000. So definitely this will act as a support for tomorrow. So our numbers are also matching, 16,483 and 16,355, and that is where our option, that is what our option data is also telling the same. So we'll move on to our Banknifty. Same goes for Banknifty as well. So I haven't changed anything in the chart. We'll go to the smaller time frame and see what we have got, and whether our targets have been hit or not, we are going to see. So this is what has happened. Our target has exactly hit. If you see, as I told, like once this double tops neckline, which is going to be this level, which is, if that is getting broken, this will be the first target, and if it is broken, then we will be moving on to 36,000. So that is what is the prediction, and today the first target is already done. So what will happen to Banknifty tomorrow, that is what we are going to see now. So the structure is simple. The structure seems to be high, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. So what will happen here? It is, as of now, here it seems like a previous bottom. It is like a double bottom, but there is no reversal so far. We'll move on to further more smaller time frame. Yeah, this seems to be a double bottom right now. So 36,342 and 36,333. So almost like very small numbers. Exceptions are there. So definitely this is going to be a double bottom if in case if we get a bullish candlesticks, or if we are getting a reversal. So that is where we can expect some sort of reversal. If a good gap down is seen, then what can happen is, if a gap down, let's assume like the gap down is between maybe like this top. Here also we have a small gap. If this is getting filled, then definitely there will be a sharp up move towards the target level, which is going to be 36,330 or 40, maybe like 36,050 will be seen, and again there will be a, I'm expecting this, if this is happening in the gap down, then there can be a small sharp up move, and then there can be a fall, because that is how the structure works. So far we are in the downtrend, so this is what we can expect for tomorrow. If in case we are getting a gap down, then definitely there will be a sharp move, and again this will act as a resistance, and then we can expect a fall towards 36,000. So this is what is expected. And let's see like whether any other structure is there. So apart from this double bottom, there is no other structure for now in the smaller time frame. And if it is coming below this line, definitely the trend can continue towards 36,000 in the lower time frame. So tomorrow's trade is definitely, if we are getting a gap down, then we have to wait till this pullback area, which is going to be 36,350, and then go for your put option or future short with 155 points of stop loss, which is going to be around this level, which is 36,470, which should be taken out in 15 minutes. So if that is done, definitely we'll be getting not less than 300 points in tomorrow's Bank Nifty. We'll have a small look at the option interest as well for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is also looking weak in daily and hourly and 15 minutes chart. So let's see like what the data says. So data is bearish because the total number seems to be a strong bearish numbers, strong in call side, so definitely which is going to be a bearish one. And the next signal where it is, okay, 36,500 has already turned a huge resistance, and that is where we close below 36,500. So 36,400 is having a tough fight. So far as of now, so we have a 42,000 against 34,000. So as of now, 36,400 seems to be a decent support, but for tomorrow, if there is a gap down, then definitely we can breach 36,300, and the next decent support is lying around 36,000. If you see, definitely 36,000 is getting a good sort of good numbers against the call option. So definitely this would be acting as a good decent support for at least for tomorrow and day after tomorrow, which means Bank Nifty can test this level, which is 36,000. So this is what is the prediction for tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So any other questions? Which volume? So which volume? The volume is like here is the volume, right? So definitely this is higher than this, so definitely market will be in bearish mode. If the volume is higher in put side, then we can expect a good bounce, but here as of now, here we have resistance in the call side in the total volume, so market can come down. So we will see a couple of stocks for swing trading as well. So today I have plotted a couple of stocks for swing trading. We will see what is the setup in those stocks. Icici Security is going to be one stock. So Icsa Security is in double bottom in the daily time frame. So double bottom where it should occur is definitely it should be formed in the bottom of the downtrend. So if you look at the price structure, it made an ultimate top of 896 and it made a low of 408 for the first time, and second time it made a bottom of 411. So this becomes a double bottom, and already then it is very closer to the neckline. One day, maybe like on Friday, it has already closed above this, which is the neckline was broken, and again what we are seeing or witnessing is there is a small amount of bearishness in the stock. So what is going to be the take on Icici Security is definitely this is going to be a buy, and the stop loss is going to be 0.5 is going to be our buying range, again the buying range. So with the stop loss of 436 in daily. So 436 in daily is going to be a stop loss, and our 445 is going to be the entry range. Right now the current market price is 461. So already we are witnessing this level, which is going to be the neckline support, neckline resistance, and it has been taken out. So the neckline is 471, the high is 471, and this level, which is going to be 472, 74.55 has been the closure. So neckline has been already taken out and small retest is happening. So this bottom, this becomes the double bottom. This becomes the neckline. Neckline is already taken out. Yeah, so the neckline is already taken out, and we'll use this chance to buy the stock for the target of, I have already given the stop loss. The stop loss is going to be 436, and entry point is going to be 445, and target is going to be, we'll measure the target. So the size of the so 15% is going to be the double bottoms level. From the neckline, we can expect 15%, which is going to be 542. So for the risk of 10 points, we are going to get almost like 100 points, which is going to be more than 25%. So this is going to be a very good risk reward call. So if in case people are interested, so they can do their own analysis, and they can enter in this stock. This is first stock for the swing trading. We have another stock for the swing trading. Which I have plotted even in the Telegram channel. I have posted the chart. So persistent system is going to be the next pick. Persistent system has fallen enough. We'll move on to the daily chart. Okay, before moving to the persistent system, I found one more thing in the Icici Securities. In monthly chart also, it is in an interesting level that gave the conviction. But before this double bottom, we have a strong conviction coming at this point. Yeah, the trend line, the ascending trend line is meeting at this point. I have joined the first low, the second low. We have to connect these lows. So this is also already has respected, and this is going to be the wick which formed during the COVID fall. So let's negate this, and this time it has exactly touched this level. And if you mark from the bottom, we are at one important level, which is going to be 0.618. So it is a risky buy, but it is a buy. So don't miss this opportunity. With just 10 points of stop loss, we can achieve at least like 100 plus points, 100 plus points in Icsa Securities. So go for at least, like, if you are interested, go for a small amount of stock so that you can get a good profit. So the next stock is going to be Icsa Securities. Icsa Securities is in the same setup like, persistent system is in the same double bottom setup like our Icsa Security. It is in the double bottom. Yeah. So the first low was made at 3,217, and the second bottom which made it 3,230. So almost like this is similar numbers. So we can take this, consider this as a, so 3,111, and this is going to be 3,102. So with the 9 points of exception, we can take this as a, consider this as a double bottom, and neckline has already been broken. Yeah, and we are at, currently we are at the 0.618. So today's low is like 3,322. Again, if it is making a bottom at this level, you can buy at this level, and we can average at this level. So the overall average will be around 3,250 or 3,240 levels. Definitely there is a bounce awaiting in this stock, and stop loss is going to be the same number, which is going to be 3,111 in daily closure. Because if it is taken out, then we can expect a huge fall. which is going to be around 2722. So let's not wait till that. We can wait till this. If you're not interested to take this entry at this point, you can wait and take this call at 3115, which is, this is going to be an advance call. So I'm giving the levels in advance. If we are getting the stock at this level, which is 3111 or 110, and if we are getting a reversal, definitely that is going to be a buy with just 1% stop loss for at least like 10% from here, because the stock is falling from 3747 to 3322. So definitely which is going to be a buy from here. Maybe like because of Nifty it is falling again, it can bounce at any point of time. So wait and watch for this stock. Fundamentally both stocks are good, so usually you have to make analysis. Technical analysis should be done in the good fundamental stock. So any other questions? Okay, if there is no other questions, we can wind up the session, and that's all for today. So we have made analysis on Nifty, and we have marked the levels. I'll post the chart in the Telegram channel, and we have done the analysis on Banknifty as well, and I'll be posting the charts of Icici Security and persistent system in the Telegram channel. People can check it out there. Thanks for joining. Take care. Bye bye.